Hey guys, my name is Dr. Arora. I'm an airway orthodontist with Husky Health and a TMJ dentist in the state of Connecticut in US. So this is my YouTube channel dedicated to tongue tie issues. People can't place their tongue on the palate because of the tongue tightness. Sleep apnea issues, snoring issues. People snore at night because the tongue collapses back and blocks the airway. Okay, as a result, the airway gets smaller and the brain doesn't get proper oxygen. So the person starts snoring. Mouth breathing issues. I'll make a separate video on mouth breathing. TMJ issues. Tightness here, jaw locks, disc comes forward, disc dislocation, muscle tightness, headaches, migraines, and orthodontics. Today I'll talk about the relationship between sleep apnea and weight gain. So there are so many links between the two. They are strongly related. I'll explain two links. Number one, hormonal imbalance. There are two major hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Due to the poor quality of sleep, these two hormones, ghrelin and leptin, they get imbalanced. So one hormone is telling you how much to eat, one hormone is telling you when to stop. So because of the imbalance, the person keeps on eating because the other hormone is not telling when to stop. So as a result, so we keep on eating and eating, extra fat in the tummy, extra fat in the neck. Okay? When there's extra fat in the neck, the airway is in the center of the neck. That extra fat is just pushing the airway. The airway gets thinner, less oxygen goes to the brain, will get sleep apnea. Number two, too tired to exercise. Due to the poor quality of sleep at night, we wake up tired with daytime sleepiness. Most likely, we won't go to the gym. We won't go to the gym, there is no exercise, and we keep on eating because of the hormonal imbalance. As a result, there is a less movement in the body, will get more weight. Any questions, any concerns, you can write it down below. I'll try my best to answer them as soon as possible. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you need any appointment, please call my office 203-469-5644. I'll happy to talk to you. Okay. So visit my website, thetmjdentist.com. Thank you guys.